Since the first ThinkPad, user experience has defined design. How can you be more productive, closer to your work, quicker? In 2015, Fujisan had an idea. What if the one thing on a laptop that could never bend suddenly could? The challenges that Fujisan and his team faced were mechanical, electrical, structural, usability, durability. Within the screen itself, there are 4 to 5 layers that bend. There's the layer of the screen itself, the supporting metal layer under each side, and a second layer that goes all the way across with a special laser-cut folding area in the middle. The entire screen had to be supported by 2 precision-machined carbon fiber plates. The X1 Fold has a hinge that moves around 4 separate points. At the very end, it pulls the screen flat to avoid any ripples. From an engineering perspective, the truly unique thing about it was all of the challenges that came along with designing ThinkPad levels of reliability, durability, and user experience in a screen that folds. The space inside the X1 Fold is very small, smaller than anything we've done before. And that brings a lot of unique engineering challenges about where to put the processor, the memory, which brought about other unique challenges, and we had to completely design a new type of cooling system from the ground up. So there are actually a fan and a heat sink, as well as a heat spreader that sandwich the entire motherboard to keep it cool, reliable, and have good user experience. The Fold is going to live on desks, but it's going to be in bags. It's going to travel. It has to stand up to everything people put it through in the real world. A prototype just has to prove that something works, but in order to be a ThinkPad, it has to have the balance between the engineering, the durability, and the design. Ultimately, our customers want to be productive, and there's no one solution to that. But we build ThinkPads to meet that customer expectation.